Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make mixed vegetable quesadilla with sour cream and salsa. So for the ingredients, here we have tortilla sheet, some lettuce leaf, olive oil, Tabasco chili, sliced onion, Julienne pepper, sliced mushroom, some tomatoes, boiled kidney beans, tomato paste, cheese, coriander, jalapeno, fine chopped tomatoes, fine chopped peppers, chili sauce, mayonnaise, fine chopped onion, lemon juice, fine chopped garlic, and in spices here we have coriander powder, paprika powder, cumin powder and seasoning. Now I'll turn on the gas and start preparing for refried beans. Place a non-stick pan, add olive oil into it, and now I'll add some peppers, juliennes of onion, some sliced mushroom, tomatoes, and cook it gently for around 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'll add some boiled kidney beans, some jalapenos, fine chopped coriander, coriander powder, cumin powder, some paprika, and cook it for around 8 to 10 minutes. So it's been around 8 minutes and I'm going to check it. Now I'll adjust the seasoning, add some salt, pepper, and cook for another 2 minutes. Now my mixture is done. I'll turn off the gas and allow them to cool for around 5 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare salsa. Salsa is basically a sauce which is made out of tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, coriander, lemon juice, fine chopped garlic, Tabasco chili, around 3 to 4 dash of Tabasco, olive oil, and seasoning. Just mix it properly and keep aside. Now I'm going to make quesadilla. Quesadilla is a Mexican dish which is also famous in Tex-Mex cuisine. For that I'll take tortilla sheet and then turn on the gas. Afterwards I'll take a grilling pan. First I'll spread the mayonnaise on top of the sheet. add some lettuce into it, refried beans mixture, then I'll add some grated cheese on top and fold it in half moon shape. Now I'll just put oil into my grilling pan. Quesadilla into it and give a nice crisscross marks. Now I'm going to flip it. As you can see, it has got a very nice grill mark. I'll cook from the another side also. Now my quesadilla is done. I'll keep this over a chopping board and start my plating.